Qualities of people with Capricorn Sun Sign. Individuals with a Capricorn Sun Sign possess distinct qualities and characteristics influenced by the practical and ambitious nature of Capricorn. Here are some common qualities associated with people having a Capricorn Sun Sign. Ambitious and goal-oriented. Capricorn Sun individuals are highly ambitious and have a strong drive to succeed. They set clear goals for themselves and work diligently to achieve them. They have a strong sense of responsibility and are willing to put in the necessary effort and dedication to reach their aspirations. Disciplined and hardworking. They have a disciplined approach to life and possess a strong work ethic. Capricorn Sun people are known for their perseverance and ability to endure challenges. They are willing to put in the necessary time and effort to achieve long-term success. Practical and grounded. They have a practical and grounded nature. Capricorn Sun individuals are often focused on the tangible and practical aspects of life. They have a realistic outlook and are skilled at assessing situations and making practical decisions. Responsible and reliable. They have a strong sense of responsibility and reliability. Capricorn Sun people are known for their dependability and commitment to their obligations. They take their responsibilities seriously and can be trusted to follow through on their promises. Organized and structured. They have a natural inclination towards organization and structure. Capricorn Sun individuals are skilled at planning and managing tasks effectively. They thrive in structured environments and prefer to have a clear sense of order in their lives. Ambitious and career-driven. They have a strong focus on their career and professional achievements. Capricorn Sun individuals are often highly motivated to climb the ladder of success and achieve recognition in their chosen field. They are willing to work hard to attain their professional goals. Prudent and financially savvy. They have a prudent and financially savvy nature. Capricorn Sun people are known for their ability to manage money and make wise financial decisions. They have a practical approach to financial matters and are skilled at saving and investing. Reserved and serious. They can be reserved and serious in their demeanor. Capricorn Sun individuals may appear more serious and cautious compared to others. They often think before they speak and can come across as more reserved in social situations. Patient and enduring. They possess patience and endurance in their pursuits. Capricorn Sun people understand the value of long-term planning and are willing to patiently work towards their goals. They have a strong sense of perseverance and can handle setbacks with resilience. Traditional and respectful. They have a respect for tradition and value societal norms. Capricorn Sun individuals often have a deep appreciation for history and tradition. They may adhere to certain customs and expect others to show respect for established norms. It's important to note that the sun sign is just one aspect of a person's astrological profile, and other factors, such as the placement of other planets and the individual's complete birth chart, can further influence their personality and behavior.